I'm going to show you how to remove background noise when recording or streaming with OBS Studio. So let's start. The first thing you need to do is to come down to your mic/auxiliary. You will see the three dots there. You click on it. When you click on it, it will bring the options out. So you scroll to where you have filters. When you click on the filters, you come to the left corner of your page that is opened. Then you click the plus button, then you select noise suppression. Now when you select noise suppression, you click OK. Now when you click OK, you will see that the background noise you are hearing from it before is not coming out again. So you click close. Now you can see that all background noise are not coming up again. So let's compare when you apply the filter to remove or suppress noise and when you remove the filter. Now let me remove the filter by clicking on delete. Now you can listen to it now that you'll be hearing all this noise at the background, but by the time you click on noise suppression and click OK, you see the quality, it will remove the noise immediately and you can have a good recording. You might ask that what about if I apply it again? Yes, if you apply it again, that's another noise suppression too. You have two noise suppression there and you compare the sound what you're having now. Let me delete this. Let's see the differences. Now I'm removing this noise suppression, the second one. Let's compare it what you're having now. Now let me add another one again to suppress the noise again. So now compare the noise suppression. So when you are done, you click on OK. So it's as simple as ABC. So you don't need to worry about the background noise around you. So if you find this video helpful, kindly hit the like button and don't forget to give your comments on what you'd like to learn more, or if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.